Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to charge a car battery in Project Zomboid. First, find a car battery charger. It's a rare loot item that spawns in garages, auto mechanic shops, and some roadside bags. Once you have it, you'll need a power source, either a building with working grid power or a generator running nearby. Next, make sure the car battery you want to charge is in your main inventory. If the battery is at 0%, it may not work and could despawn when picked up. So try to grab batteries that still have some charge left. With the charger and battery ready, right-click the car battery charger in your inventory and choose Place Car Battery Charger. Put it down on a tile that has electricity from the grid or within range of a running generator. Now right-click the Place Charger and select Connect Car Battery. Choose the battery from your inventory and it'll snap onto the charger on the ground. Once connected, right-click the charger again and select Turn On. You should see or hear a power hum if the tile has power. The battery will begin charging. This takes several in-game hours to refill fully. You can check its charge by examining the battery while it's attached. When the battery has enough charge, turn the charger off. Then right-click and take the battery back into your inventory. Finally, install it in a vehicle by opening the hood or using the car mechanics menu. An alternate method without a charger is to keep a car engine running. Idling or driving also slowly recharges the battery via the alternator if it already has some charge. But this costs fuel and only works if the battery isn't completely dead. And that's how you charge a car battery in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.